Here we have a 2020 Ford Ranger. It's fitted with the 2-litre bi-turbo diesel engine and it's got roughly 50,000 miles on the clock. If you're getting a message on the dashboard over this side saying change engine oil soon and you've just serviced the vehicle, I'm going to run you through the procedure to reset that warning. Just be using these buttons on the steering wheel here. So I'm going to start by switching the ignition on. Just let it cycle through, do its things. Right, so I'll press the OK button to clear those messages down. And now I believe I need to use the left arrow to access the menu. Then just go down, the down arrow to settings, click on OK, vehicle, which is already highlighted, OK. And if you scroll down, you can see oil life reset. Press OK. And it says there, hold OK to reset. Oil life has been reset. So now if we go back out of the menu using the left arrow key, I'm going to scroll back up to display mode. And that's back where we started. Switch the ignition off. Back on. That's it. I'll start the vehicle up. And you can see there the service message has now gone. That's been reset for another 12 months. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please hit like and subscribe to help us out. Nice one.